Welcome to Virtual Stitch Club. Today we're going to be looking at a chain stitch which has been beautifully sewn here close together. You can make out the vertical lines. So I'm just going to work through it. Chain stitch can be used to fill in large areas or outlines and embroidery. So to begin, you bring your needle up. You go to sew. I'm going to be working this line up here. Bring your needle through to the front of the cloth and place it back where you just came out. Before you pull it all the way through, make sure you can see a loop like I have here, and insert the needle a little further along your line. Pull it through. You've caught the loop, made a chain. Pull it gently so that it lies flat against the cloth. To make your second stitch, go back in where your needle came out, making sure that that is also inside the chain that you've just made. So back in, make sure you can still see a loop. Bring your needle up further along the line you're stitching, and pull it gently flat. I'll do another one. Back in where you came out. Oops, there's your loop. I'll just do another one. You can keep going like this. When you get to the end of your line and you want to finish off your work, just catch your last loop here by taking your needle, making a tiny stitch through to the back, and you can fasten off. Yeah.